Speaker, the Cabinet Secretary is giving us information that was in the public domain. Allow me to follow up with two supplementary questions. Is that could the Cabinet Secretary provide the identity of the person responsible for allowing the armed youths who invaded the school? Secondly, Honorable Speaker, can the Cabinet Secretary tell us why a container, he's just admitted that the container is being used as a canteen privately and it is marked NYS. Why is it, can he confirm the container belongs to the school? Is it owned by a private individual? And why is this happening while there's a head teacher and a BOM? How is this appropriate? Can the Cabinet Secretary kindly explain this?
Thank you, Mwenje.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Minister, take a few supplementaries. I'll allow 2 or 3. Honorable Bukose. Okay. Just take the notes, then you will answer. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes.
I want to ask and thank you, the Cabinet Secretary. I want to ask the Cabinet Secretary about registration of new schools in some of the areas and where you find, and in particular in Endebe's constituency, where we have new schools or even young schools without even TSC teachers. What is he doing about it? And what is the ministry's policy about registration of new schools? Thank you.
Sabina Chege.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to the Cabinet Secretary. Mr. Speaker, I've been a chair previously for education, and I want to thank him for the work he's doing. But Mr. Speaker, my question is on the junior secondary teachers, who, Mr. Speaker, were given contracts by TSC, and as per my understanding, Mr. Speaker, the junior secondary teachers have not been able to be paid, and they have gone for months without salary and pay, and a lot of them are going through a lot of pain. So, Mr. Speaker, I would like the Cabinet Secretary to inform the House on what's the plan of paying the junior secondary school teachers. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Sorry, Wamchomba.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And thank you to our Cabinet Secretary in the House. Mine is to direct a question to the Cabinet Secretary on matters drug and substance abuse in school, noting that the presidency, through the Deputy President, has initiated a campaign to rid off drugs from our schools and from our communities. What is